Data is a fundamental need for any business operation, and for the business to develop, this data should be analyzed to derive various factors, and eventually this will lead to some changes in their business operations. And in the market, there are various data analyzing tools and techniques that are available for use. Hello viewers, in my set of videos, I'll be explaining about the most powerful package for data analysis, which is Pandas. It is built on Python programming language and it is an open source data analysis and manipulation tool. Pandas is a fast and flexible data structure and it works with relational and labeled data. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how to install Pandas. The IDE that I'm working on is PyCharm. To work on Pandas, we first need to import the Pandas package. So for that, we'll have to give import Pandas. When we execute this, we'll get this error which is module not found error. So which means this Pandas package has to be installed. So to install that, what I'll have to do is click on this project and then go to File, Settings. There in the Python interpreter, just click on this plus sign and then type Pandas. The Pandas package will appear there. So next click on Install. And this is going to be pretty fast. So initially you will see installing and once that is done, it disappears. So you can see that the package is now successfully installed. If you close that window, you can see that Pandas is now installed there. So click on OK. Now when you try to import the Pandas library, you will no longer get that error. Rather, it is going to say that the process finished with the exit code 0. So which means now we are good to use the Pandas package for data analysis. Watch out my next set of videos to get a clear understanding on how to use Pandas for data analysis and manipulation.